Today I will show you how to edit filters in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Now, in order for us to edit a filter, we need to be able to create a filter. So to create a test filter, we're going to add an email and add a subject. We're going to create filter and we're going to say categorize it as purchases, and we're going to create a filter. Now that we have a filter, what we can do is we can go to settings, then we go to see all settings, then under that we'll go to filters and blocked addresses. Here we can see the filter that we just created, and we can click on this button to edit it, and here we can decide to edit it to have a different subject, continue, and we can update this to anyone we want, and we just update filter, and you see it, the subject has changed. And that's how you edit filters in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.